Hey Schoology students, do you want to know how to organize your dashboard and navigate your Schoology platform, the folders and the different assignments and things like that? Well, stay tuned, you're about to learn. Alright guys, the first step we're going to talk about is organizing our dashboard. When you log into Schoology, if you're on a PC or a Mac or a Chromebook or something like that, typically it's going to look like this. I actually want this course to be here, this course to be here in 2 slot, this course to be in number 3 slot, and this course to be in number 4 slot. So how I do that is I go and hover over this Schoology link right here, which takes me to the home, and it shows all of my courses. This is where I can drag and drop the courses as I choose to assemble them and organize them to my liking. So like I said, I wanted this course to be here. I'll simply click on it, hold it until I'm in that position. I want this course to be in the 2nd place. Again, we're just clicking, dragging, click and hold, and drag. All right. Click, hold, and drag until we get there. All right. That automatically saves. To see that, you can go back to your course dashboard, and there I've labeled it, lined it up just like I like. Perfect. Next step is to show you how to navigate folders, quizzes, links, and things like that. Alright, so I'm in a course that I created, and I have a folder here. Now, there's a variety of ways you can click on this folder. You can click on the description, you can click on the link labeling the folder, you can also click over here. Whichever way you choose is fine. Next, I have a link labeled here by this icon. I have a Google slide labeled by this icon, come from my Google resources, and I have a quiz here. So I want to go in order, really. So the first one is a link. Let's click here for the study guide. All right, sometimes you'll get this right here. If your teacher loaded it up this way, you can simply click right here. It'll open you to a new tab, and you can go through and check out the slide this way. So this is the first one, and this is the 2nd slide. All right. Another way your teacher may post it. So the next one is a Google slide. Sometimes your teachers may use this as a presentation, and it will open up inside this window here. All right. So make sure you're scrolled down to where this is completely visible. And first thing I'll notice on this toolbar is there are 2 slides. There's 2 ways I can manipulate these and to see them both. I'm going to click drag like this, or I can simply click the next button or the back button to see the previous slide. All right, so let's review this real quick. Study notes. TCTA is a fun place to learn. Next slide. The notes. Mr. Richards, aka the Pipe Father, is a great teacher. ... Probably better than Bill and Mario. All right, let's remember that. Again, we can go back to our study material folder, and we have what is known as an assignment. That is an assignment icon. So we click on the quiz review, and here we don't see a lot, but if you notice right there, we see a blue and we see an underline. As we hover over it, that is a clickable link. So let's click on it. It takes us to a Google form, or this one does, because that's the way I set it up. Quiz review, answer the questions. All right, perfect. Blank is a great place to learn. Is it TCTA, mud, basketball, or clouds? Well, my study guide said TCTA. Mr. Richards, otherwise known as the Pipe Father, isn't a great teacher. In the study notes, it said he was a great teacher. So Mr. Richards is otherwise known as the Pipe Father is not a great teacher. That's false based on my study guide. All right, I will submit down below. There I can view my score. All right, I got 2 out of 2 right. Perfect. That automatically submits to my teacher. Your response has been recorded in Google Form. Okay. Let's see if there's any more material in the study guide. No, I took the quiz. I reviewed the study guide. I reviewed the study guide here. I took the quiz. All right, let's go back to the front of the course by clicking that. All right, this is a test quiz. All right, click on that. Here you'll see an icon like this, a puzzle piece. This is an assessment. So I'll click to open the assessment, and here I'll be prompted with a couple of questions. I can preview this because I am the teacher. You will click Start Attempt. TCTA is a great place to learn. Is that true or false? True, according to my study guide. My favorite teacher at TCTA is Bill that lives down the street. It said Mr. Richards and the Pipe Father was better than Bill. Mario, it said he was better than Mario. The Pipe Father, well, I know that's true. And Mr. Richards, I know that's true. So I can select multiple on this one. So let's just see finish. You've got to submit. Oh, and navigating the folders right here, I'm already open. I've got the folder open right here. Okay. So if I click right here, I go back to that open folder and I see all the material inside that folder. If I click here, I'll go back to the front of the course. So let's show you that. All right, back to the front of the course. Again, if I click here and I click here, that opened that link, and this is where I must click or go to Drive. All right, so now I can click back to the folder or back to the course. I've already clicked back to the course to see what an open folder looks like. This is simply just taking one step back. No need to go to the back button. So now you know how to organize your courses. You know how to navigate. Thank you so much for clicking on that link. Back out of here, go to my YouTube channel, hit the subscribe button. All right, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you learned a little bit, and I will be back with more later.